Hello 7th standard students, welcome back. We were discussing about the lesson exponents and powers, worksheet 4. Now coming to the fifth sum, find the value of x. So that first is 3 by 4 the whole raised to 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 by 4 the whole raised to 3 raised to 3. Means here we have to solve, isn't it, on the right side. So it is 3 by 4 the whole raised to 2x plus 1. This one will be 3 by 4 the whole raised to 3 into 3. Bracket है तो multiply. So it will be 3 by 4 the whole raised to 2x plus 1 is equal to 3 by 4 the whole raised to 9. Now the bases are same, so you will be writing when the bases are same, the powers are equal. So 2x plus 1 is equal to 9. So 2x, keep it on the left hand side. 9 plus 1, take it to the other side. It becomes minus 1. So 2x is equal to 9 minus 1 is 8. X is equal to 8 by 2, isn't it? Is equal to 4. 2 1s are 2, 4s are 4. Clear? Now coming to the second sum, 2 by 5 the whole raised to 3 into 2 by 5 the whole raised to 6 is equal to 2 by 5 the whole raised to 3x. So first we have to solve this. So bases are same and the in between multiplication sign. So what we have to do? Add the powers. So 2 by 5 the whole raised to 3x on the RHS. So LHS becomes 2 to the power of 2 by 5 the whole raised to, how much is it? 9 is equal to 2 by 5 the whole raised to, on the right side it is, the power is 3x. Now the bases are same, so we will write when the bases are same, the powers are equal, or we equate the powers. So 9 is equal to 3x. So x is equal to 9 upon 3. 3 1s are 3 3s are. So x is equal to 3. Now coming to the third sum, minus 1 by 5, minus 1 by 5, base, here also minus 1 by 5. Here it is division, means what? Subtract the powers. Minus 1 by 5, the whole raised to 20 minus 15, because it is division. Minus 1 by 5, the whole raised to 5x. So it becomes minus 1 by 5 whole raised to 20 minus 15 is 5 is equal to minus 1 by 5 the raised to 5x. Now when the bases are same, isn't it? So directly we got the bases are same. So write when the bases are same, the powers are equal. So 5 is equal to 5x. 5 is equal to 5x. So x is equal to 5 upon 5. That is x is equal to 1. Clear? Hope everyone is understanding. In the first one, it is x is equal to 4. Now the last sum, it is a 1 by 16 into 1 by 2 the whole raised to 2 is equal to 1 by 2 3 bracket x minus 2. Now this one is not in the base, is not 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 2. But 1 by 16 can be written as 1 by 2 the whole raised to 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, means 2 to the power 4. So convert this into base 1 by 2, okay, into 1 by 2 the whole raised to 2 is equal to 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3 bracket x minus 2. So first we should see that the bases are same, then only we can use the logs. Now the bases are same and in between it is multiplication sign. So what we will do? Add the powers. Now here 1 by 2 the whole raised to 3 bracket x minus 2. Now 1 by 2 the whole raised to 4 plus 2 is 6 is equal to 1 by 2 raised to 3 bracket x minus 2. Now the bases are same, LHS and RHS. So we have to write when the bases are same, the powers are equal, or we equate the powers. And now it is 6 power, here it is 6 is equal to, here it is 3 bracket x minus 2. So x minus 2, keep it here. This one will be 6 by 3. 3 bring this side, it will be how much? 2 is equal to x minus 2. So x, if you keep it here, x, you keep it on the right side. Here left hand side 2 is there. Right hand side minus 2, take it to the left hand side. It will be plus 2. So x will be, what is the value? X is equal to 2 plus 2 is 4. Understood? X, keep it on where it is, and the minus 2 take it to the other side, it becomes plus 2. So that is why it is a 4. Hope everyone understood this question number 5. The first 3 are okay. The fourth sum, convert the 1 by 16 as 1 by 2. Then you have to proceed. Okay. Now coming to the sixth sum, the last sum of the worksheet 4. Which of the following statements are true? In the first one, it is a 0.6 to the power 8 divided by 0.6 to the power 7 is equal to 0.6 to the power 2. Bases are same, in between division, so we have to subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1, but here it is given 2. So the answer is false. Now here bases are same, in between division, so we have to subtract the powers. 6 minus 3 is 3. So it is true. Yes or no? Now coming to the third sum, reciprocal of 7 by 5 the whole raised to 12 is 5 by 7 the whole raised to 12. है ना, इंटरचेंज करने का न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर and the power as it is. So it is true. Now coming to the fourth sum, 5 plus 5 the whole raised to 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5 plus 5 to the power 5. अभी 5 to the 5 plus 5 कितना आया? कितना आता है? 5 plus 5 10 to the power 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5 plus 5 to the power 5. करेक्ट है क्या? नहीं, it is false. Now in the fifth sum, it is the bases are same. Here it is division. So LHS we have to solve and see. So 1 by 4, the power is 4 and 3 means division. So 4 minus 3 divide by 1 by 4. तो इधर कितना आया? 1 by 4. 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. Divide by 1 by 4. कितना आया? 1 by 4 divide by 1 by 4. Same number है. That is equal to 1. But the answer is here is not equal to 1 by 4. है ना? ये 1 by 4 नहीं है. So इसके लिए आंसर क्या आएगा? False. एक्चुअली इसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सॉल्व करने के वक्त 1 आता है. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू द सिक्स्थ सम. इट इज 1 by 7 into 1 by 7 square divide by 1 by 7 cube is equal to 1. ओके, इसको अभी हम पावर्स न्यूमरेटर है तो उसको कैसे करेंगे? 1 by 7 और ये 1 by 7 the whole squared है ना. 1 by 7 squared can be written as 1 by 7 the whole squared divide by इसको 1 by 7 the whole cube ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, है ना. न्यूमरेटर 1 है तो इट अप्लाइज टू दैट ऑल्सो. हाँ, अभी इसको आप लोग देखोगे तो कितना आया? 1 by 7 the whole power 1 plus 2 है ना. और इधर आया 1 by 7 the whole power 3. तो इधर कितना है? 1 by 7 1 plus 2 is 3 divide by 1 by 7 the whole power 3. इसका आंसर आया 1 by 7 the whole power 3 divided by 1 by 7 the whole power 3. आंसर सेम. ये दोनों सेम, डिवाइड मतलब the answer is 1. So RHS is also 1. So is it true? Yes. समझ में आया? तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड को आपको इधर दोनों में LHS को सॉल्व करके देखने का है. दिस इज RHS. इधर ये LHS सॉल्व किए, इधर ये RHS. ट्रू और फॉल्स में आप लोगों को सॉल्व करके दिखाने का नहीं है, लेकिन कैसे आया आंसर उसको हम आपको समझा रहे. दैट्स ऑल. ओके. Hope everyone understood the worksheet 4. We have completed worksheet 4. Bye. Thank you. Take care.